Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching. This is CrossBlogXTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. This is another prophecy for Baba Adeboye. This pastor came out and said he saw it very clearly that Baba Adeboye is waving a lot of crowd and saying goodbye, and the staff was being taken from Baba Adeboye, and he saw a new name. But he's saying in the prophecy, in the message, where he was saying it, and he saw that Baba Adeboye himself have been informed that God has shown him that it's time to exit. And he said the remaining one Baba Adeboye is spending now is whatever is coming out of his mouth now is just blessings for everybody. Please, let's listen from this prophet. We can say it's true, we can say it's lie, but at least God is moving around to show people things. Let's listen to him.
Today is Sunday. I hear the voice of the Lord. Today being on the 16th, today being the 16th of November, the Lord spoke to me about one of our father in faith that I so much respect. At around 2 a.m. in the midnight, the Lord showed me a vision and he spoke to me about our father. I saw that the Adeboye is saying goodbye. I saw our father, Daddy Adeboye, saying goodbye, waving goodbye to everybody. And I saw Baba Adeboye wearing pure white. He was wearing a white cloth and a white shoe. And I see Daddy Adeboye saying goodbye. This man was waving. The Lord said Daddy Adeboye has finished his assignment. The Lord clearly told me at around 2 o'clock in the midnight today. The Lord said that Adeboye has finished his assignment. Because I see this man waving goodbye to everybody. He was waving goodbye to. I saw a large crowd that he was waving goodbye. And I saw his staff in his hand. And I saw the angel collect the staff from his hand. And I saw that the name of Baba Adeboye was removed from this staff. And I see a new name. I see another person's name, which I will not mention the name of the person. I saw the name clearly that was written on the staff. But I will not mention the name of the person that was written on the staff that was in the hand of Baba Adeboye, because they collected the staff from Baba Adeboye after he went, and I saw a new name in the body of the staff, and I saw the angel of the Lord taking away Baba Adeboye, and I saw Papa Adeboye waving goodbye. The Lord told me that everything Baba Adeboye will be saying now is full of authority. The Lord said Baba Adeboye is in his last days. The Lord said, my son, I have spoken to my servant already. The Lord said he himself has spoken to Baba Adeboye that he is going home. The Lord told me around 2 that he has spoken to his servant that is going home, because I see Baba Adeboye waving goodbye. The Lord said the mantle is about to change hands. The Lord said the mantle in the Redeemed Christian Church of God is about to change hands. Because I've already seen it in the realm of the spirit that the mantle has changed hands. The Lord said, let the Redeemed Christian Church of God get ready. I'm not saying this prophecy to trend. Before God that owns my life, I'm not saying this to trend, but this is what the Lord told me. The Lord said, when Baba departs, nobody should cry, because Baba has finished his assignment. The Lord said, when Baba departs to be with the Lord, let no one cry, because Baba has finished his assignment already. So Baba is just using his last days now. And the last days of Baba now is full of authority. The Lord said, Redeemed Christian Church of God should get ready. Because I see Baba waving goodbye. God bless you. Shalom.